I should have told you before now. He's not dangerous.
They killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them! No. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
Before you're running with them, you're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Ah!
Don't worry, bud.
Night Fury!
Get down!
I'm not gonna let anything happen to you.